Hi, Duncan here from CapitalQ. So I was working on a short, sharp list of the key mistakes or shortcomings I see many small business owners make so that hopefully you can avoid them yourself. As doing so, I came back to a recurring theme, and that revolved around failings in their accounting and reporting systems. Now, of course, I know that doesn't sound very sexy. I'm sure you were here looking for some groundbreaking ideas out of left field that will magically make you millions. But the reality is, an awful lot of small business owners we see can and would make much more and could achieve much greater success if they just made a few easy to implement changes to the way they operate. So I've put together my top 7 forgotten reasons why you need an effective and efficient accounting and reporting system if you want to make more profits. Again, not a super sexy title, bit of a mouthful, but the more profits bit hopefully sparks your interest. Now, the list applies to all business owners, but in particular, I want to call out relatively new business owners, those that are perhaps 1 to 2 years into their journey. This period is so often the honeymoon period for many entrepreneurs. We see a lot of people in this early stage of their business who think they are making good money, who are thinking they have this whole business thing sussed. But unfortunately, sometimes you just don't know what you don't know. And we see time and again people hit a wall around that 2-year mark when they start to discover the hard way all the costs and obligations and liabilities they were racking up without knowing it. So let's get straight into it. An effective accounting and reporting system is the minimum price of entry to real business success. We have seen it all, from tiny one-person home businesses to financial services behemoths managing billions in client money. And the real success and the avoidance of failure only comes when performance is recorded, reported, considered, and then acted upon. However, your time is too valuable to spend much, if any of it, on your accounts. You, as the business owner and driving force behind your venture, should only focus on high payoff tasks. Are you skeptical? I own 2 successful businesses and I don't spend a minute preparing the accounting and record keeping, and I'm an accountant. If meeting your tax and other reporting obligations is hard, then you are doing something wrong. Tax lodgements are a regular occurring obligation that aren't going away anytime soon. Therefore, you need an efficient process to ensure you can meet those obligations on time each time without drama nor interruption to your core business operations. And doing so should never take up substantial, if any, amounts of the business owner's highly valuable time. If it is, you're doing something wrong and it's time to rectify the situation. Accounting records are not just for the taxman. It was invented well before income tax returns and activity statements. Modern accounting was actually first conceived by the merchants of Venice way back in the 14th and 15th centuries, and they did so to provide the required usable and actionable information about their businesses. It helped them amass great fortunes, and it can help you do the same if done right. An effective and efficient accounting system is the foundation upon which a successful business can be built. Without a strong foundation, your business is little more than a house of cards at the mercy of any change in the wind. Your accounting and reporting system should help you identify trends, good and bad, and allow you to adjust accordingly, be it making sure you aren't too late to reap benefits or otherwise making sure you aren't too late to avoid disaster. You are flying blind without the information your accounting system should be providing. If you don't have the information you need, you're doing nothing more than just guessing each time you make a business decision. You probably aren't the type of person to put your life savings and your future on the line at the casino roulette table. So why take effectively the same gamble with your business? And finally, what gets measured gets managed. A cliche, maybe, but in our experience, it is 100% true and is a strategy that, implemented correctly, pays massive dividends. Get yourself an effective and efficient accounting and reporting system, then start measuring your business's key numbers and performance, and you'll be amazed how better managed they become and the positive results that will be produced. So there you have it. And now, as always, it's over to you. Do you have what is required to take action and implement what you have learned? If so, you are the type of person we want to work with. So please get in touch and let us help you make it all happen.